Dead hangs aren't just some exercise you see people doing at the gym to show off. They're one of the simplest movements that can completely transform how your body looks and feels. Most people underestimate this exercise, but I'm going to show you what really happens to your body when you start doing them consistently. The first thing that happens, your shoulders unlock and decompress in ways you haven't felt in years. This might not sound exciting, but your shoulders carry the weight of modern life every single day. Hours of hunching over computers, looking down at phones, and carrying stress in your upper body creates tension that most people don't even realize they have. Dead hangs are like hitting a reset button for your entire upper body. When you hang from a bar, gravity gently pulls your spine into proper alignment and creates space between your vertebrae. Your shoulders naturally fall back into their correct position, and all that built-up tension starts to melt away. This simple exercise reverses years of poor posture and compressed joints in ways that most people never experience. What feels simple at first quietly sets off a chain reaction, and you'll see one of the biggest shifts that your body will have later on in this video. But here's something most people don't realize about dead hangs. They're like a miracle cure for rounded shoulders and forward head posture. If you spend your days slouched over a desk or constantly looking down at your phone, this exercise can literally reverse the damage that's been building up for years. When you hang from a bar, your shoulders have to work in their full range of motion to support your body weight. The muscles that have been weak and overstretched from poor posture suddenly have to engage and strengthen. Your chest muscles, which have been tight and shortened, finally get the deep stretch they desperately need. The exercise forces your shoulder blades to pull down and back into their proper position, retraining the muscles that are responsible for good posture. Your upper back muscles, which have been weak from years of neglect, start to wake up and remember how to do their job properly. After just a few weeks of regular dead hangs, you'll notice yourself naturally standing taller and more confident. People will comment on how much better your posture looks without you even trying to fix it. This improved alignment is crucial for healthy aging and can eliminate years of neck pain and upper back tension. And once your shoulders start working the way they should, something incredible happens to your spine health. Dead hangs provide what's called spinal decompression, which is something that most people's backs desperately need but rarely get. Throughout the day, gravity compresses your spine and the discs between your vertebrae. This compression can lead to stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility over time. When you hang from a bar, gravity works in your favor by gently stretching your spine and creating space between each vertebra. This decompression helps relieve pressure on your spinal discs and can provide significant relief from lower back pain. Many people find that chronic back issues they've dealt with for years start to improve once they begin hanging regularly. It's like giving your spine the space and freedom it needs to heal and function properly. Now, for many people, excess body weight contributes significantly to ongoing back issues by placing additional stress on the spine. This is where proper nutrition and weight management become crucial for long-term back health. One of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to lose weight is accurately tracking their calorie intake. Traditional nutrition apps require tedious manual entry that causes most people to give up within days. CalAI solves this problem by making calorie tracking as easy as taking a picture. Simply snap a photo of any meal and CalAI automatically calculates the calories and macros for you. No typing required, no weighing individual ingredients on a scale. The scanning technology is quite accurate, though it's recommended to review the ingredients after each scan to ensure the AI identified everything correctly. For those who want maximum precision, CalAI includes a comprehensive food database that provides detailed nutritional information for thousands of items. The app also features a barcode scanner that makes logging packaged foods and snacks effortless. This eliminates the guesswork that derails most people's weight loss efforts. Consistent calorie tracking is essential for sustainable weight loss, which can significantly reduce the load on your spine and help alleviate lower back pain. Click the link in the description and use promo code STRENGTH for a 3-day free trial. CalAI offers advanced AI technology at a fraction of the cost of other premium nutrition apps. Moving back to dead hangs, now the spinal benefits also improve your overall mobility and flexibility. When your spine can move freely, everything else in your body works better. Your hips can move more easily, your core can engage properly, and your overall movement quality improves dramatically. Now here's where things get really interesting. Dead hangs build the kind of grip strength that actually predicts how well you'll age. Studies show that grip strength is one of the strongest indicators of overall health and longevity. People with stronger grips maintain their independence longer and have better health outcomes as they get older. But dead hangs don't just build grip strength. They build the kind of functional grip strength that translates to everything you do with your hands. Opening stubborn jars becomes effortless. Carrying heavy bags doesn't strain your forearms. Your hands and wrists become more resilient and capable of handling whatever life throws at you. The exercise also strengthens all the small muscles in your hands, wrists, and forearms that most people never think about until they start having problems. These muscles are crucial for maintaining dexterity and hand function as we age, which becomes increasingly important for maintaining independent living. But now let's talk about something that might surprise you. They're incredible for building core strength without doing a single crunch or plank. When you're hanging from a bar, your entire core has to engage to keep your body stable and prevent you from swinging around. Your deep abdominal muscles work constantly to maintain proper alignment, while your obliques fire to keep you from rotating. This creates the kind of functional core strength that actually protects your spine and improves your movement quality in daily activities. The core engagement you get from dead hangs is different from traditional ab exercises because it's happening while your spine is in a lengthened position. This teaches your core muscles to be strong while your spine is decompressed, which is exactly how they need to work during many real-world activities. Many people find that their core strength and stability improve dramatically from dead hangs alone, without having to do any additional ab work. It's efficient training that builds strength while simultaneously improving your posture and spinal health. Dead hangs are powerful, but they work best when combined with other foundational movements. If you're experiencing ongoing stiffness and mobility issues, you might benefit from a more comprehensive approach. That's why I created a comprehensive guide linked in the description that covers the essential movements for rebuilding your body's foundation and regaining pain-free movement. There's a link in the description if you want to check that out. Now, let's move on to the mental benefits of dead hangs that are just as impressive as the physical ones. There's something uniquely meditative about hanging from a bar that forces you to focus completely on the present moment. You can't think about your to-do list or check your phone when all your attention needs to be on maintaining your grip and breathing steadily. This focused attention creates a break from the constant mental chatter that most people deal with throughout the day. It's like active meditation that builds both physical and mental resilience. When your grip starts to fatigue and your mind wants to quit, but you hang on for a few more seconds anyway, you're building mental toughness that carries over into other challenges. The exercise also teaches you to stay calm under physical stress and to breathe properly when things get uncomfortable. These are valuable skills for handling all kinds of stressful situations, not just exercise-related ones. Let me help you avoid the most common mistakes that prevent people from getting the full benefits of dead hangs. The biggest error is gripping the bar too tightly right from the start. This causes unnecessary fatigue in your forearms and limits how long you can hang. Instead, use just enough grip strength to maintain your hold on the bar. Your grip will naturally tighten as you fatigue, but starting with a relaxed grip allows you to hang much longer and get better results. Another mistake is allowing your shoulders to scrunch up toward your ears. This creates tension in your neck and upper traps and reduces the decompression benefits for your spine. Focus on actively pulling your shoulders down and back, creating space between your shoulders and ears. Don't swing or use momentum during the hang either. The goal is to hang as still as possible, which requires more core engagement and provides better results. If you find yourself swinging, it usually means you need to slow down your approach to the bar and focus on control. Finally, remember to breathe normally throughout the hang. Many people hold their breath when concentrating on maintaining their grip, but steady breathing is essential for staying relaxed and hanging longer. For beginners, start with just holding the bar for 10 to 15 seconds, focusing on proper form rather than duration. Do this for 2 to 3 sets with plenty of rest between attempts. The key is to build up gradually while maintaining perfect technique. As you get stronger, work toward 30-second hangs, then 45 seconds, and eventually a full minute. Most people will get incredible benefits from 30 to 60-second hangs, so you don't need to hang for extremely long periods to see results. Intermediate practitioners can experiment with different grip positions, such as chin-up grip or wide grip, to challenge their muscles in new ways. You can also try single-arm hangs for an advanced challenge, but make sure you've mastered the basic dead hang first. The beauty of dead hangs is their simplicity and accessibility. All you need is a pull-up bar, and you can do them almost anywhere. Many people find they can do dead hangs even when other exercises are too challenging due to injury or mobility limitations. If you're looking for one simple exercise that can make the biggest difference in how your upper body feels and functions, dead hangs should be at the top of your list. Give them a try consistently for a few weeks, and you'll be amazed at how much better your shoulders, spine, and overall posture feel. Share this with a friend who needs it.